To install the blower tube, first, loosen the tube clamp bolt. Align the slot in the blower air outlet with the raised rib on the tube and insert the tube. Next, tighten the tube clamp bolt. The nozzles have a bayonet mount for connection to the blower tube. The length of the blower tube can be adjusted by twisting the nozzle to the left to disengage the bayonet mount and sliding the nozzle to the appropriate position. Twist the nozzle to the right until a click is felt to re-secure the nozzle. Before you begin blowing, put on the required personal safety equipment, including hearing protection, eye protection, gloves, and face mask for dusty environments. Some models can be used with a shoulder strap for extra comfort. The strap should be worn over the shoulder. Use the standard nozzle when greater accuracy and higher airstream concentration is desired. Use the high-velocity nozzle when a wider airstream and greater air velocity is desired. If your unit comes with a vacuuming device, begin the installation by unzipping the bag. Insert the collection bag tube from inside the bag to fit in the vacuum inlet opening of the bag as shown. Ensure the elastic is seated in the groove. Close the zipper on the bag. Attach the collection bag tube to the unit and tighten the tube clamp bolt. Attach the carrying strap to the collection bag loops. Next, align the arrows on the lower vacuum tube and the upper vacuum tube. Push the lower vacuum tube into the upper vacuum tube until the lower tube is securely seated. Permanently assemble the two tubes together with a supplied screw. Next, pry open the cover with a screwdriver. Press the vacuum tubes in the large opening. Align the tabs with the slots in the tube and rotate it until the bayonet mount locks and the lock symbols align. When operating the blower, the collection bag must be supported by the shoulder strap. Do not vacuum large, solid objects that can damage the fan, such as wood, cans, or lengths of string or ribbon. Do not let the vacuum tube strike the ground.